Guys, so there's something in there. So hold the camera. Open it. Here, record it at that door. You're not recording it.
Yes, I am.
Alright. Wow, it's scary. It's scary. That's it's still open. It's open. Let's go downstairs. Siri, stop. I'm scared. I'm just kidding. The door connects. No, don't bring that downstairs.
Why?
No.
Why?
You know TJ's gonna mess it up. And he's gonna poke himself in the eye. So don't bring it downstairs.
But be quiet. Tell them step. If the door is open. Sweet.
What's this? It smells like nail polish. It's slime.
Yes, it's mine. Ooh, let's put that off.
Terry, will you stop?
Ooh, this one smells like a biscuit. Can you spit it up? Can you spit it up?
Oh, it's the best part.
You spit it up. I'm gonna have my one. You don't have yours. Okay, let's do. I got any sweet on dark. I don't care, but 7 was nothing. Like that's right, chutney. I didn't ask the door. Dad didn't ask the door, but you just fought it.
No. SpongeBob
Yeah.
is right there.
Pretend like you see him.
SpongeBob?
SpongeBob.
Sorry. Just fine.
It's fine. They just.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob is like farting funny. Can you do this? Because. Hi guys, so my cousin Timmy put SpongeBob on my mind. That's not funny. Yes, it is. Sit by me. Eat your food. Timmy, that's cold. Why'd you put it on me? That's cold. Timmy, you're about to stop.
Thanks.
I'm turning.
You got more than me.
I'm turning.
You got more than me.
I'm turning. You don't want the chair.
Look. You got more than me. Do you want gummies? No, you don't want gummies? Okay. I switched it, but we both got the same amount, and she kind of has more than me.
You still got some. But
Still got some.
Yeah, still got some.
Let's switch out. That's you, Jerry.
Look,
That's be you right there. Now she acting with you little. That's how you used to do. Yep. Is literal or small? Is literal a word or smaller?
see about that.
your seatbelt. Push.
So guys, it's just me now with my whole slime and spine. He said you don't want to play with it anymore.
I want to play. Give me.
No. Let's see. Let's see what has the most amount. Okay, Addie, you get more slime. I get less. Cover up the light. Okay. If you guys cannot see my face or her face, that's because she's over there and that leg is right there and I'm so tall.
You just fought it?
No.
Because I didn't hear that. Did Mama fought it? Does Mama fought it?
No, that wasn't Sanaya.
That's
SpongeBob.
Get off of me. Happy birthday to
Addie, this has some more slime.
Okay.
You want it?
Yeah. I got some slime too. That's good. You're my cousin. We can stay together.
Addie,
Yes.
next month your birthday's coming up.
Yay!
When's your birthday?
March 8th. Give me a second. March 8th.
Yeah!
March 8th. My day.
And guess what?
Birthday.
And guess what next year is? I mean next month. March. And it's gonna be a birthday. Your birthday's before mine, but I was born before you because I was born 2013. You was born 2016. That's why you're 3 and I'm 6.
I'm 6.
Yep, I'm 6. But now you're about to be my age. You're gonna need 2 more to go. But right now you need 3. But on March 8th, you're gonna need 2 more.
Sorry.
On March 8th, you're going to be 2 more to be 6. And we're going to start growing up. And after March 8th is April, then May. That's when we stop school, on April or May. Then June is close to my birthday. Then July is my birthday. So my birthday's coming up too.
Look.
In 5 more years, in 5 more months.
Look.
I mean, no, 5 more years.
Is it over there? Oh, it's over there. I was one. It's my beautiful. So, guys, can you keep this on my face? Who's the bestest? Papa! I said, Papa!
Look.
Granny's house. I close too.
My eyes.
You see them? No. Yes, I can see your eyes, right? You put it on your face. You can see it.
Now can you?
Yes.
Like new goggles. What's my goggles?
Yeah, that's fine. Chicken with hot burn. Pickle, chocolate, and that tastes good.
Scoot over.
Timmy, you gonna make me fall.
No, I'm not. Addie, get off. So I can scoot this chair over. I'm scooting the chair over.
Oh, this is looking like my slime piece. Me? Like I said,
Because they cannot see me.
they can see you.
They can see me now.
I can see me too. Well,
Alright, stop scooting the chair.
let's see. I'm making. Oh, they froze up. Because of the party.
You just find SpongeBob? Did you find SpongeBob? SpongeBob? Yes. Do you find it? Yeah, you just find it. That was you to me.
No, it wasn't.
It's SpongeBob did.
But yeah, we got Santa
They
Claus.
smell SpongeBob's fart.
Yeah.
This thing over here.
Not feeling good.
It's not-
Dang it. Like I should. Maybe took the rock around pumping real but woo! Feeling blessed.
So up.
Dude, they might not see us very well because this is slime in it. It's my slime.
So someone just walked in.
I'm pulling somebody's tongue off
Why?
because it's cool.
Okay.
Put your tongue in here.
If you put somebody in the stomach, you die because I just see nobody put a some of them stomachs.
Okay, I'm pulling somebody's tongue.
And so
Ew! Oh, I pulled her tongue off. Alright, time for the next person.
ew, I find it. It's not swinging. Hey, I was a pain in that shit. Thank you. Dang! Sit down. Somebody say thank you. Let's get that small jacket sit down.
Oh my, look at this boy's humongous tongue. Alright guys, we're gonna end this video because it's gonna be really big.